Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Nyak. Today, I am bringing you a heartbreaking and hurricane report from Fangak County in Jonglei State, where renewed airstrike have forced thousands of innocent civilians to flee their homes. This latest violence has made an already dire humanitarian situation even worse. Let's break down what happened and what it means for the people caught in the middle. On Monday, June 2nd, residents in New and Old Fangak woke up to the sound of military helicopter hovering overhead. According to local sources, these helicopters belong to South Sudan People Defense Force, also known as SSPDF, and were supported by the Uganda military, UPDF. Without warning, the helicopter began bombing residential areas. Women, children, the elderly, everyone ran in panic. Many took shelter in the surrounding swamp and thick bushes, with no food, no protection, and no clear direction. This happened in the morning. By midday, large part of Fangak were in chaos. One local man by the name Luingalwak from Wimon described what he saw. He said, 3 helicopter gunship flew over us, dropped bomb on New and Old Fangak, then moved toward PG County. He also confirmed that many people were injured, but we still don't have the full number of those killed or wounded. Another resident who gave only the name, by the name Nuer, he said that people are living in constant fear and psychological stress. Every time aircraft are head over head, people assume the worst. His message was simple: we appeal for peace, we just want the war to stop. And truly, that is what every South Sudanese want: peace, dignity, and a life free of fear. Why is this happening in Fangak? Fangak County has long been known as a stronghold for opposition force loyal to first Vice President Dr. Riek Machar. Recently, the government in Juba officially labeled the area as hostile, and now we are seeing direct military action. Palmai, a spokesperson for the SPLMIO, which is Machar political faction, has strongly condemned this attack. In a press statement, he said the government used what he described as a chemical bomb, which, if true, would be a serious violation of international law. He also accused the government of blocking humanitarian agencies from reaching the affected population. He said, and I quote, "This genocidal campaign is exposing displaced people to starvation and disease. Right now, thousands of people in Fangak are in urgent need of food, clean water, and medical care. But aid agencies are being denied access to these areas. That means no food drop, no medical team, no shelter materials." And we are not just talking about a few families. Entire villages have been forced to flee, and children are sleeping in open swamp. This is not just a local issue, it is a humanitarian crisis. The United Nations has already raised the alarm, warning that the situation in Upper Nile and Jonglei region is rapidly getting worse. The world needs to pay attention. My fellow South Sudanese, what is happening in Fangak today could happen anywhere tomorrow. If this violence continues to unchecked, we must continue to speak out, to share these stories, and to demand peace from our leaders. The life of our people, our mothers, fathers, and children must come before politics. Let us reject war and division and stand united for peace and justice in our land. Please, if you found this report helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Your support helps to tell the truth and give a voice to those who are suffering in silence. May peace return to our people, and may the cries of our Fangak be heard around the world. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.